Tasmania's been a fantastic place, and we've got some fantastic memories. We'll still be here a while until we head back. And here's just a bit of a flashback on some fond memories that I have.
This is Curtis.
Walk in the park.
Oh, that's kiddies. That's kiddie stuff.
Look at this.
Look at that.
This is where Gollum walked.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is that it?
No.
Oh,
That's a false one, Harry.
false one.
We've got about another 500 metres. The reflection.
Look at that.
That's
Look at that.
crazy.
I'll zoom in on that. That is the reflection
Off that
of
rock.
that.
Crazy.
Wow. And this isn't even the mountain. We're going around this.
A summit, Harry, see?
Yeah. Oh, right. With the antenna on top. Hang on.
But that is the highest point.
That is. There, that's it. That's where we're headed, guys. Okay. Oh, look who's here.
Harry.
Yes. How did
K2?
K2? Yes, I remember now.
Yes.
I remember.
You do?
Jeez, it's such a small world, isn't it? And here we are.
You got here pretty quick.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What's that tune, Last of the Mohegan?
Harry, John, and Jordan, we were here.